Hey students, so what I'm going to be doing also is I'm going to be releasing a little video, a 5 or 6 minute video every single morning for you to learn certain things of math. We're going to be going over money, telling time, place value, double digit multiplication, long division, simple little things to strengthen your basic skills. And then I'm going to give you 1 or 2 problems and you're going to work those on your own and you're going to send those to me so I can see. So today, which is Thursday, we're going to do double-digit multiplication. Let's remember how to do double-digit multiplication. So let's say, for example, that I have 25 times, let's do times 13. Now, am I going to do it this way, or do I need to set it up the right way? I probably need to set it up the right way, don't I? So let's do 25 times 13. And usually we want to put which number on the bottom? We want to put the smaller number on the bottom because really it doesn't matter. Because if we go 2 times 3 equals 6 and 3 times 2 equals 6, does that really matter? No, see how those things, with multiplication and addition, it doesn't matter. You can have 5 plus 5 or 5 plus 6 equals 11 and 6 plus 5 equals 11. But you cannot do that with subtraction, right? Because if you go 5 take away 3 equals 3, 3 take away 6 equals what? It equals negative 3, right? You can't take, if you have 3, how can you take 6 away from that? And you'll learn that more as you get into certain things in algebra. But with multiplication, it doesn't matter which way you put it. You're going to do 25 times 13 or 13 times 25. But it's usually easier to put the smaller number on the bottom. So let's start. We always start, of course, we have our columns. This is our ones place, right? This is the ones, and this is the tens, and this is the hundreds, so forth and so on. We're going to go over all the place values just to make sure we have them. So let's start with our ones. 3 times 5 is 15. So we put our 5 here. Now, are we going to write 15 like that? No, because it's 15. Our 1 has to go into the tens column. Because if we look at the number 15, 5 is in the ones, and the 1 is in the tens. We're going to put them in the correct column. You don't want to put them in your wrong column. So you're not going to put 15 like this. You're going to put 5 here and carry your 1 up there. So it's called carry your 1. Everybody say it, carry your 1. Okay? Then we're going to go 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, because we have to add that 1, is 7. And now I can erase that because you already used it. All right, so we finished the top one. We finished the top one. Now we're going to start, are we going to start on our ones place or our tens place? We're going to start on our tens place because it's here. So if we're starting in our tens place, if it helps you to draw the lines, you can draw the lines. If we're going to start in our tens place, what do we need to put in our ones place? Let's put a 0 there. Because we're not starting in our ones place, we're starting in our tens place. So then we're going to go 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. Oh, where's it going to go? Where's our 2 going to go? It's going to go over here in the hundreds place. Next, we add that together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry our 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 25 times 13 is what? 325. I messed up. 325, right? So what happens, boys and girls, a lot of times this is what happens. We have 25 times 13, and you go like this. You go 3 times 5 is 15, I carry my 1, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and then you go 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2. Uh-oh, that's not working, is it? Because they started their tens place in the ones place. You got to start your tens in the tens. If there was 100, we'd start the 100 in the hundreds place. That's very important. Don't forget that when you move over here on your second number, you have to start underneath that second number in the same place value, and you put a 0 there. Okay? So that's how it's going to happen. I'm going to give you 2 problems right now. I want you to write these down. I want you to finish them. And I want you, on a separate sheet of paper, just get a line paper. So write your name and date. And you can label this. Next week I'll have a paper for you to be able to do all this. Label it just math or daily math. We'll do that, daily math. Let's label it daily math. And you can write, so your first one is going to be 29 times 14. So I want you to do that one. And then the next one is going to be 54 times 36. So I want you to do both of those problems and put them on a paper and send them to me on Friday. Now tomorrow morning, Friday morning, we're gonna do something else. We're gonna do long division. I'm gonna give you 2 problems in long division to answer as well. So I want you to answer 29 times 14 and 54 times 36. All right, boys and girls, if you need help, call me. You can rewind the video and watch the steps. But this is gonna help you just strengthen those foundational math skills that we wanna make sure you know those so that when you get into fractions, you'll have no problem. And this is also gonna require that you learn your multiplications even better, okay? All right, boys and girls, bye.